Hello and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets, where you can polish your knowledge and clear doubts. Friends, today's video is question number 2.20 from NCERT textbook class 11 and the chapter name is Structure of Atom. So let's find the question. Question says, calculate the wavelength of an electron moving with the velocity of 2.05 into 10 to the power 7 meter per second. So friends, as we know, when the particle is moving and we need to find the wavelength, we should apply the de Broglie's equation. The de Broglie's equation says wavelength lambda is equal to h upon mv, where h is a Planck's constant, m is a mass of the particle and v is the velocity of the particle. So mass of the particle here, it is electron. The mass of the electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. That is fixed. Now substituting all the values, lambda is equal to Planck's constant is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second, which in turn divided by mass is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg multiplied by 2.05 into 10 to the power 7 meter per second. Now friends, here the main thing in this question is to do the conversion of the unit. So we knew that, or if you don't know, please learn this. 1 joule is equal to 1 kg meter square second minus 2. Now in place of joule we will put this value. So we can write again 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule. In place of joule, kg meter square second minus 2, and already 1 second is there. Now divided by 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg into 2.05 into 10 to the power 7 meter per second. Now kg is cancelled with kg. Meter square is cancelled with meter, 1 meter is cancelled, second and per second is cancelled, and this minus 1 second and second is cancelled here in the here. Now whatever we have left over, we will do the calculation. So calculating the values, will get here 3.55 into 10 to the power minus 11 meter, because meter is left over. So this is the final answer. This answer is needed. So lambda value is 3.55 into 10 to the power minus 11 meter. So friends, that's all for today. The purpose of this question is to do the conversion. The more you learn the conversion, the more it is easy for you to solve the physics in the next class. So that's all for today. Ask more questions as usual and be there with me for the next coming video. Till then, thank you.